Welcome back to HSE Tutorials. In the last two videos, we covered worker rights, responsibilities, and the role of enforcement agencies. In this video, we'll dive into Section 3 of Element 1, which is about who does what in organizations when it comes to safety and health. In this section, we will learn 1. What are the responsibilities of an employer in ensuring a safe and health risk-free workplace? 2. What role do directors and senior managers play in ensuring a safe workplace? 3. What role do middle managers and supervisors play in health and safety? 4. How should employers work together when sharing a workplace? 5. What are the shared health and safety responsibilities between clients and contractors? 6. How can clients select safe and competent contractors? 7. Why is it important for clients to ensure contractors have risk assessments? 8. How should clients monitor contractors to maintain safety standards? So, who exactly is the employer in a workplace? The employer is a person or organization that employs people. It is important to recognize that the employer in this context is not normally a natural person like a living or a breathing individual. Instead, they are a legal person and exist only in a legal sense. For example, Apple Inc. is an employer and a legal person. What does the employer's responsibility really mean? The employer is ultimately responsible for ensuring the workplace is safe and health risks are minimized. And this duty is laid out clearly in international standards like the ILO Conventions C-155 and Recommendation R-164, which are often reflected in local laws too. Now, here's a key question. Who exactly is the employer responsible for in terms of health and safety? Let's break it down. 1. Their own employees. First, the employer has a duty to their own workers, the employees, ensuring they're protected while they work. 2. Other workers in the workplace. This includes people working in the employer's space but who aren't direct employees like contractors, agency staff, and casual workers. 3. Workers off-site. Sometimes workers operate off-site but still represent the employer, like contractors installing equipment at another location. The employer still holds responsibility for their safety in those situations. 4. Visitors in the workplace. Even people who aren't working but are visiting the workplace, such as clients or delivery personnel, are also covered under the employer's safety responsibilities. 5. The public, and finally, anyone outside the workplace who could be affected by the employer's activities, like a passerby, is also considered in the employer's duty of care. So, in short, an employer must think about the health and safety of everyone who could be impacted by their work, whether they're employees or not. It's about taking responsibility for anyone connected to or impacted by the workplace. Thanks for watching this section of our NEBOSH IGC series. Remember, understanding these roles is essential to creating a safe workplace for everyone. If you're finding these videos helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around for our next video, where we'll keep building on these foundational principles.